Hey, Dean, this would be an easy one. Take the small file and cool ice cream fun.
All right, guys, we're in the home stretch of the Lego experience. We have about 20 minutes left. Make sure you sign up for the Lego Club magazine, which is free as well. It's a 2-year subscription. You'll receive an issue every other month. It is absolutely free. Help you with all your different greatest Lego sets. So make sure you sign up for the Lego Club magazine. It's absolutely free. It's a lot of fun.
I feel good.
On that work.
On what?
So make sure you take those up.
Got a roll of stickers, they'll give them to you. I don't know what you get. Stick on yellow and